Oh my gosh, look at that. Is that, oh my God, we got the lightning.
That looks beautiful.
Oh my gosh, that's a girl.
Let me see if I can capture something like that. I don't know. That's neat.
Oh my gosh. Okay, so you gotta move over into the situation. Oh my gosh. You got it? That is powerful right there. Girl, look what Beyonce bringing. She brought that storm. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
I'm sorry.
No, I'm getting you in there.
Oh.
Oh my gosh. That is so freaking amazing. Girl, this is, girl, look at this. Girl, what you mean what I'm doing? I'm filming this. This girl said, what are you doing?
Oh.
What was it? Is that beautiful or what? Oh my gosh. Look at, oh my gosh, look at that cloud. Amazing. Girl, oh, look at that. Ooh, oh my gosh. That is monstrous. Oh yes. Girl, I can imagine. You said the 32nd floor?
31st, yeah.
The 31st floor?
Oh, yeah. We were there.
And you were in the cloud. You
Oh,
literally
yeah.
was in, oh my gosh. That probably would freak me out. It would be like freaking me out and exciting at the same time. I would have mixed emotions. But that is amazing.